We can't get out of these Chinese handcuffs.
No.
Master, will you please teach us?
Yes.
To escape the Chinese handcuffs, you must not pull apart, but come together. Come together. Come together right now. Over me. Oh. Yeah. Let's try again.
Yeah.
What?
What?
It's not working, Master.
Why?
You are fools. You must come together.
Oh.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah. This time we got it.
One more time.
Alright.
Master, it stopped working again. Oh my goodness. I cannot work with these two fools anymore. I'm sorry, but I quit. Oh well. Can someone help us out of here?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Why must we go through this?
Master.
My back.
Master. Master.
Come on.